Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the new makeups that they have on Dress to Impress. So, as you can see, they have this one which is new. This one, maybe I should change the skin color so you guys can see a little bit better than just this gray thing. I'm just going to show you the face for this one. So, let me just walk here. Okay. So these are the new faces. They have, oh my gosh, there's like a heart shape here. They have this one, this one, this one, up to, I think, here. So they have this like Harley Quinn inspired one. There is a lot of awesome new makeup. They even have new mask faces as well. I love this one. They have worked so hard on this update and it shows. They also have new custom makeup as well here, which is awesome. Like, I can't wait. Like, wow, this is incredible. I'm like shocked right now. Like, this is the best update ever. Like, this cracked doll thing is awesome and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.